Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Have you already watched the unboxing video of Conquest S9? If not, then the link is in description. Today we are going to talk about performance of this phone. First, we run benchmarks such as AnTuTu, GeekBench for GPS test, Wi-Fi test, and others. Then we will play some heavy games. In coming days, there will be camera and battery tests of this phone, so subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss them. As you understand, we have a model called China Red Limited Edition. Also, you can find Sports Yellow and King Kong Black versions. They have different specifications, so be careful when buying. Conquest S9 Red Edition is powered by Octa-core chipset MediaTek Helio P25. It has maximum clock speed of 2.6 GHz. This smartphone has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. The hardware is very interesting, but let's look at benchmarks. The first benchmark, called AnTuTu, shows almost 76,000 points. As for GeekBench 4, there is 853 points in single-core test and 3754 points in multi-core test. This is standard result for Helio P25 chipset. I cannot say that it is the best, but still good for everyday tasks and even latest Android games. By the way, if you are planning to play games a lot, then 3D Mark test will be useful for you. It shows graphics capabilities of mobile device and average FPS in games. As you can see, Conquest S9 scores 876 points in Slingshot. Now let's test memory speed, GPS and Wi-Fi. This smartphone has 273 megabit per second download speed and 202 megabit per second writing speed. GPS is okay. It has an accuracy of about 4 meters. Also, we don't notice any problems with Wi-Fi. Finally, Asphalt 9 is available on Android. By the way, some days ago, we had a poll on our Tech Brothers channel, and about 37% of you say that Asphalt 9 is much better than Asphalt 8. To be honest, I haven't played this game yet, so it is my first time. As you can see, Conquest S9 runs new game very well on medium graphics settings. It is very smooth and I don't notice any lags. By the way, after playing about 10 minutes, the smartphone isn't hot at all. Perhaps this is because it has a thick, rubberized body. Anyway, I don't feel overheating. The next game is called PUBG Mobile. I think you already knew what kind of game this is, why I say it to you. The smartphone automatically chooses low graphics settings and I cannot change them. Yes, the graphics is low, but it is very comfortable to play this game. The main thing is the enemy will not kill you because of the delay of your phone. The last game is called Shadowgun Legends. I think that these 3 games will be enough for performance test. They are the most powerful Android games for today, so even if you play other games, then you will not have any problems with them on Conquest S9. Just like with previous games, Shadowgun Legends runs very well. Sometimes I think that there is no point in performance tests, because a modern smartphone of more than $200 copes with any games. However, if you are planning to buy any device, you want to be sure that it will not have any problems. So I continue to make performance tests of different Android phones. So it was the second video about Conquest S9 Red Limited Edition. As expected, the phone has good benchmark result and gaming performance. However, the main feature of this phone is rugged body and big battery. Later we will make battery test. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.